going on, Odooers, and welcome back. Ever feel overwhelmed by too many tools, tabs, or missed messages? Well, that's why Odoo includes the Discuss module right out of the box. It's a simple, integrated way to keep conversations organized without switching apps or digging through your inbox. Here's what I love about Discuss. It works quietly in the background, but it keeps everybody on the same page. So instead of jumping between email threads, chat apps, and project updates, everything simply just connects. If I've ever got a quick question about a lead or even need to send a file right off the fly, I don't need to stop what I'm doing. It's fast, it's built into every app, and it helps my team stay focused without missing a beat. Let's hop into our database so I could show you what I mean. All right, here I am on my CRM dashboard reviewing our pipeline. Let's say I need to check in with Mark about a lead. I don't need to switch apps or start a new email. I can just click this chat icon here in the top right. And when I do, I can see all of my conversations. All I have to do to message Mark is click new message and simply type his name in. And now I can go ahead and type in our message. And then hit enter to send it off. The best part is I'm still in my CRM view. No distractions, no context switching. I'm chatting and working in the same place. Now, maybe I just want to share a file. I can click this paperclip attachment right here and attach it to this message. Or if I want to drop a link, I could even just paste it into this box just like so. And when I send it off, Odoo's going to give us a nice clean preview of what that link is. And in the event we need to react quickly, emojis and GIFs are just a click away. It's the little things that make these interactions feel more human. I can even record a voice message if I wish, speak into the mic just like so, end our message, and when we do, Odoo's going to give us a quick little preview. And if we like what we hear, we could just send that off. Now, let's open the full Discuss app. This is your hub for communication all across Odoo. On the left, I've got my inbox for unread messages. I also have a section for starred messages for anything important, and a history feed to show any updates that I'm involved in. Below that, I've got access to my channels here. I have an admin's channel as well as the general channel. And directly under that, we have our live chat app if you have that installed. And then, of course, down below, we have our direct messages. Let's go back to our conversation with Mark. I can see that currently his status is offline. If you were online, it would be green. And if he was on vacation, then I'd see an airplane icon instead. If I don't need this conversation up front and center, I can unpin it just to keep things tidy. And if I want to re-add this later on, all I have to do is hit this plus icon right here, search for Mark, hit enter, and it's back. And when I hover over any message, I see a few helpful tools. Right off the bat, I can go ahead and react to a message with some emojis. I can also reply to a message to start a thread, or I can even star a message and save it for later. And if we click on this three-dot menu, this gives me even more control. I can edit or delete messages. I can pin a message, mark it as unread, or even copy a link to that exact message. This will also be the area that admins can manage messages across the board if needed. Now, one last thing before we go, let's check out these icons here in the top right corner. First off, we have our bell icon here, which is used to manage our notification settings. Following that, we have our magnifying glass, so we could search for messages. And we also have a paperclip icon here, which is used to pin or attach files directly to the chat. So instead of bouncing between tabs or chasing down updates, everything I need to stay in sync is right here, built into our workflow. And lastly, we also have this pin icon, so in the event we do have any pinned messages, we can view it just right here. So that's a quick overview of direct messages in Discuss. It's fast, it's simple, and flexible, so it helps your team stay aligned without the chaos of email overload or disconnected tools. And the best part, it's already a part of your Odoo database, ready when you are. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.